sometimes, I don't know, maybe this is just me, but if you guys are like me, sometimes I'm bombarded with ways to do this and ways to do that and and I didn't even start with the first way. And so it can be a little overwhelming when I'm getting all this information in and I have yet to start with the first, steps. So let me encourage you to, even though these aren't the fancy ways to find the leads, let's start with the simple ways to find the leads, and see where that takes you first. Right? Getting in your car and driving, right? So start that way first. And or if you can't do it yourself, find somebody else who can do it for you, right? So get help to blanket your area, right? And then try and get famous in that area. Like always have something up. Always have your name, your phone number, or your mobile home business in everybody's face in that area that you determined was going to be yours. And this doesn't have to take forever, by the way. This does not have to take forever. If you start now, you can get up bunches of signs in the next couple of weeks. Well, you got to get your signs in first, but it might take a couple of weeks to get them in and then ordered and in. But get them up within a month's time. You can have signs all over the place. You could have people, within a week, you could have somebody calling you, driving around and looking for FSBOs and things for you, right? So you can start doing things to get some leads coming into your inbox or into your voicemail messaging system, sooner rather than later. Okay. And then I'll have more ways to find leads from different sources as we keep going.